Apparently they don't waste any time. I mean, something happens and they're already redrawing the maps.
Can we take some of that ice and just hold on to it for this week?
Yeah,
Just, you know, right in the backyard.
It's interesting that the scientists said that this is part of a natural cycle.
Right.
So these things have happened before, and then, you know, Mother Nature has a funny way of trying to achieve balance in the atmosphere. And so that's what all weather is about, is Mother Nature is always trying to achieve a sense of balance, but she never does. And that's why the weather always changes. Yes. You learned something, didn't you?
That is cool.
Yeah, that's
super cool.
That's one of those rolling isms. Okay, so time-lapse video, folks. Here we go. Mother Nature achieving some balance here across southwestern and south central Idaho, and that we're seeing a lot of sunshine right now. And the temperature readings are going to start getting warmer. And as those temperature readings get warmer, I think you're going to start saying it feels a little downright hot. But this is Mother Nature's way of compensating for what happens during the winter months here. Currently 94 degrees in Boise right now. The humidity is right at about 14%, so it's hot, it's dry, but it's going to be getting much warmer over the next couple of days. Look at the high temperature projected tomorrow. I'm forecasting a high of 100 degrees here in the Treasure Valley. Friday up to 101. Saturday is going to be the hottest day at 103 degrees, and then on Sunday we'll bring it back down slowly to about 100 degrees, and next week we'll take it down into the upper 90s. So that's still way above the average line of 91 degrees for this time of the year. Also, a little monsoon moisture is going on down here across the southwestern part of the country. There's the Four Corners area. And there are some indications that some of that monsoon moisture, which naturally occurs this time of the year, could try and creep its way into south central, maybe into portions of southwestern Idaho later this weekend. So this is what we call the Four Corners High. It sets up like clockwork during the first week of July every single summer right here over the Four Corners area where Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona meet. So as this thing sits here and spins around clockwise, it starts tapping into warm, moist subtropical air that comes up from the south. Then that monsoon moisture, that little bit of moisture that works its way around with the heating of the day, generates thunderstorms. So here's what the models are showing will be happening later this weekend, and that is that the high pressure nudges just enough to the north that we might see some mountain thunderstorms late Saturday and possibly Sunday afternoon. Again, that would be later in the day, not a washout scenario or anything like that, and that will occur likely this weekend. For right now, watch what the models do. On the dry side through the day tomorrow, then as I take you into Thursday, late Thursday and Friday, notice a little bit of that monsoon moisture tries to work its way up from the south, but the greatest concentration of shower and thunderstorm potential for the next couple of days will be out here across Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, and also around southeastern Idaho. So the 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley. Let's go with temperature readings tomorrow at the century mark, and then on Friday, 101 degrees. Here comes the heat wave again. Saturday, 103 degrees. Sunday, 100 degrees. I'm going to toss in a few more clouds there for the Treasure Valley for Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. Could it yield some thunderstorms? Maybe something trying to form over the Owyhees. Maybe something trying to form up around Idaho City way in the afternoon. We need to see a bigger concentration of moisture headed this way before we start going too crazy with the potential for thunderstorms in the afternoon. But we will be watching that monsoon flow later this weekend. And the mountains have the potential of seeing a few showers or storms. I've got maybe a storm chance in the forecast for Sunday afternoon over the west central part of the state.
And of course, the concern for this weekend, the same concern we had last weekend.
If we see the
dry
monsoon,
lightning,
if we get thunderstorms, they'll generate lightning, which could spark fires.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Roland.